Hello, you're welcome back to Morning Space. If you are new here, this is a space where we share everyday experiences, good vibes, and little life lessons we encounter every day. So today I just got back from where I went to get bulk tomatoes, and I want to put them away. The tomatoes I bought last year is still very much. I bought a lot, so but this time around I decided to buy just a little. And I need to decongest my freezer so that I'll have enough space for bell peppers. That's what I really want to buy this year. But because I still have tomatoes from last year, I need to try and empty that freezer before bell pepper is out.
Welcome to the place where your dreams take flight. One space to shine and make your futures bright. Learn, grow, stack it up day by day. We're building.
These are the boxes of tomatoes. I'm going to trash them. And I just want to check it out, because it was my husband that arranged these things in the freezer yesterday. I was so tired. I think I had about 10 to 11 Ziploc bags. I had to label some 2023. I noticed that there were tomatoes that I bought since 2023. So these are the 5 boxes I just bought. If I don't do it that way, there won't be space for my bell peppers, of which I'm going to buy a lot of it when they eventually start selling. So one of my son has a play date with his friend, and I just ordered pizza. The delivery guy just delivered it. Stop screaming.
Doesn't come for you.
That is the Coke is for you.
I want to see him run.
That was fast.
I want my. Can you give me the? Whoa, for real!
We have come to the end of summer holiday, and I'm in my kids' room. I want to arrange their school supplies and their clothing. We bought some clothing from the children's place. We also bought some things. From Once Upon a Child. I didn't know that Once Upon a Child was a thrift store until when I got there and I found out. So, but we just bought some few things from there. Where are you? Come inside.
Happy cheese for today. There we go. Okay. Clean that box and get that finger cutting. Right?
Did you get hurt?
No.
Do you want me to see? I have a Hello, welcome.
Hello.
How are you? Ça va bien? Oui. Paperwork. Okay, did you put your stuff in your locker?
Okay, you put it in the locker.
So the lockers, most of them are this way, and then there's a few there. So you just have to look for your name.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Tips, tricks, stories you can trust. Your goals and your vision, that's a must. Hustle, freedom, show the way. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks, boss.
From your first coin to your grandest chase, we make it happen here in Lonely Space.
See, it's about to rain. Let's be fast.
Show the way, join the journey. Join the journey.
Okay for you, right? Alexa, is it going to rain today?
Rain is expected around 8:45 a.m. It should last about 20 minutes.
40 something.
8:40 something. And that means you'll be in school by then. Isaac, bring your normal shoe. Both of you should come, let's pray. You're not in a competition, okay? So no rushing. Oh yeah, go. Gently, I'm walking behind you.
We were excited about our
Oh yeah, now.
so we grit our teeth and took on. Not long after,
David.
the guy in front of Izzy just
Oh yeah,
flies backwards, digging into Izzy's kneecaps. I
Carry your
immediately
bag.
sprung into defense mode and tapped the guy on the shoulder. I told him, hey, can you put your seat back? My girlfriend is very tall. And he just
I want to take a picture outside.
I quickly tapped on his shoulder.
Or will you take it here?
Put your seat back.
on my
My girlfriend is still tall. Actually, no. I'm trying to sleep here, and the way you asked was actually
I don't want you to leave it in school. When you get to school, remove the cap and put it in your bag and the gloves. Don't misplace it though.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Who wants to go
Have they ever cancelled school? I've not seen them cancel school in Canada before. You there now, behind this rain boots. Don't ride in the middle of the road. Though. This one is reading and this one is eating. I'm on my way to my kids' school. We have a meeting with the teacher. All the students of the school have meeting with the teacher, and that's where I'm going to right now. And I'm walking to the school because my husband is not around to take us. He started an on-site job a few weeks back, but the meeting is for 1:30 and it's currently 1:15, I think. And let me see, it's currently 1:17 at the moment. I'm not far from their school though, so I am going to be there very soon, and I'm glad I chose today for the meeting. Someone died and I have to be at the burial tomorrow to represent my family. The person that died is a well-known member to the church, and last week Sunday it felt so weird. I'm not seeing the person in church because she's always present in church every Sunday. I pray that her soul rest in peace. She has done a bit on earth and everybody is very, very sad. So today is Friday. I'm going for a burial ceremony. A lady in my church died last week, and today is her. We are laying her to rest. They're laying her to rest today, and I want to grace the occasion. I will catch you guys later, maybe when I'm back, because definitely I'm not going to be able to vlog or pick up my camera. You want me to come with you? Eh? Where your clothes is very cold.